Welcome everyone. In this session, we'll explore a key initiative that enhances the way we work with new vendors. Our objective is to standardize and streamline the onboarding process, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and compliance every step of the way. This process is built on three foundational stages. First, registration, where vendors formally express interest and provide their basic business information. Second, verification, a critical step where we validate all details through legal, financial, and compliance checks. And third, integration, where approved vendors are successfully added to our systems and begin working with us operationally. With this structured approach, we bring clarity and control to vendor management, paving the way for reliable and scalable partnerships as we grow. Now, let's walk through the end-to-end onboarding process. It begins when a functional team, such as procurement, logistics, or IT, identifies a need and raises a vendor request. We work with a wide variety of vendors, including raw material suppliers, freight partners, tooling providers, and software solution firms. Once a need is identified, the vendor submits an application to the finance department. This includes several key steps. Step 1, the expression of interest. The vendor formally expresses their intent to work with us. Step 2, they receive an application link and submit the required details. Step 3, we conduct a qualification-based selection of vendors. Step 4, they submit mandatory KYC documents. Step 5, our finance team verifies the information. And finally, once approved, a vendor code is generated and banking details are added. This process delivers two major benefits. First, it ensures regulatory compliance and risk mitigation. We verify legal and tax documents and avoid engaging with non-compliant vendors. Second, it enhances operational efficiency. Vendors are pre-approved, which shortens lead times for procurement. It also strengthens vendor relationships. Transparent onboarding, knowledge sharing, and clear expectations help us build trust, not just for today, but for the long term. In short, this isn't just an administrative task. It's a strategic process that fuels dependable, cost-effective growth. Let's now take a closer look at the information we collect and how we validate it. Every vendor is asked to submit details across three key categories. First, business information. This includes the nature of the business, its place of registration, incorporation documents, and proof of address. Second, promoter's information. We capture personal details of the business owners. PAN cards, Aadhaar, proof of ownership. All of this ensures we're working with verified and accountable individuals. Third, KYC documentation. This is where vendors upload their GST certificate, bank statement, passbook, CIN, UDM certificate, and more. These details are submitted through a secure digital form and then passed on to our finance team for document verification. But we don't stop there. A physical verification of the vendor's address is also mandatory. This additional check adds a critical layer of authenticity, protecting us from potential fraud or ghost vendors. In summary, we ensure that only reliable, compliant, and verified vendors become part of our supply ecosystem. It's about building a network we can trust and a system that supports long-term growth, with no compromise on integrity or efficiency.